tummy also. Look how cute is my baby. Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday was fun. I love to be with them. And it's nice to have visitors in the house that they can sleep over, and you know, they can stay over here and have fun. Yesterday morning we were like kind of just having really fun, and I forgot I was planning of pranking them, but I forgot to prank them. You know, I wish I did. I wish I did prank them last night, the other night, you know, while they're in bed. They're kind of really tired, that's why I'm kind of guilty of doing that, because so may i-film lang ako dito kung paano ko nakuha yung dalawang pusa. What are you iyak-iyak for? I will be back. I was filming upstairs and tapos na yan. And what I'm gonna do next is have lunch because last night no dinner. So kakain lang ako ng lunch na niluto ni Remy na paksiw. Yung inununan ba na niluto niya. So yun lang kainin ko sa rice. Kasi gutom na ako. Thank you so much, Remy, if you are watching. Nagkamay lang ako. Nung inununan na ano niya, Remy, luto. Yesterday was Tuesday, and I don't upload any mukbang. So, yeah. Kapag mag-inununan siya, nilagyan niya ng palya at saka talong. Sarap kapag mag-inunon si Remy. Gustong-gusto ko talaga. I have a vinegar here. If you know me, you know the story. Vinegar and yung sili. I love palya. I just want to show you some picture. Not all picture. It's just few pictures of my husband, and I'm just going to show you what he looks like when he was a baby. I will show you what Tommy looks like when he was a baby. Guys, look at him. I'm gonna cover because that's not Tommy, it's the sisters. So look how cute is Tommy, right? And then it's Tommy also. Look how cute is my baby. My husband when he was a baby. Right? This picture is when Tommy's asleep when he was a baby. And until now, he is asleep just like that. Guys, until now, he is asleep just like that. This is Tommy. You cannot see his face anyway. That's Tommy's friend, his best friend. And the other side here is, you really can see his face. This one you cannot see because he's down. But that's Tommy when he was, I think 30 or, yeah, 30 plus. I'm not sure. But I just love, he is so good looking. And then, when he get older, 40 something, look at him with that thing. That's his uncle in his side. That's his mother's brother. With the dog named Honey. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. Need to just lie down first and relax. It's nice to have a bed, guys. This is what I see. If we have a bed, this is gonna be what I see every time. What do you want? You tell me what you want. Show me. Show me the money. You wanna go? Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go out? Is that what you want? Okay, time check. It is 7:25 in the evening. Well, afternoon. I called it afternoon when nakikita ko pa yung labas. Yeah, so I called it afternoon. And also because it's 7 o'clock and I'm not sleepy because I took a nap. And I need to eat. So what I'm gonna do is, because Remy texted me last night, she said, you know what she said? She really is like a friend, but it's like a mother to me. And that's why I love her. I like her. I love her. I want to spend time with her all the time. I like her. I like her. I won't stop. I like her. And we've been friends for like 7 years. Yeah, maybe more. And so she told me, she texted me that, Anne, put your food in the freezer. You know, this food that she's talking about, the inununan, because obviously ano to mga asong to? Obviously I cannot finish eat it for like 2-3 days. So except this dog, they are not friend of mine. They're like making noises and noises and noise was. So ito ang gagawin ko, guys. I'm going to put some in the freezer, but ano ko sila, I don't have a Ziploc bag. So Roxy, Misty, enough, don't haha me. So I'm going to put this in the container, and then I'm going to separate. Ay, ito guys, mahirap kapag ano guys, okay, sobrang taas oh. Yung mahirap yung ano kapag maputot ka ba, maputot. Putot, shirt ka, hindi ka tall. It really smells good. I'm just gonna keep texting Remy to say thank you, Remy. Ay, sobrang sarap, as in. At saka itong, ilan na ba? Okay. So anyway, at saka meron pa akong soka from this afternoon lunch. And Yeah, so, yun lang guys. Wala naman ako masyadong ganap. Magkakain lang ako guys. And I will see you later. For that cute little baby over there. Cute little baby over there. Ito siya na. Uy, tush. Always looking at mama. Always. Always looking at me. Always. Always looking at mama, baby. Always looking at mama, baby. It's already 9 o'clock, guys. And me, I'm not sleepy. Hold on, guys. Oh my god. I have to close the window before turning the light on. Every neighbor's house is dark. Like they're not there. It's kind of weird. Tammy doesn't like that I put that over there with the green screen. But that's where I'm going to film. Did you see the camera here? And I'm gonna need to have another chair over there. And I'm going to put pictures here. I can display this downstairs when when we have a anong tawag nito guys, yung you know, display part area, like area that you can display stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Good night, guys. Ciao. Good night. Sayonara. Is that sayonara? Yeah. Goodbye, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. See you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to thumbs up, guys, ha? The like, ha? Don't forget to like my video, guys, ha? And then yung notification bell, if naka-subscribe kayo, please click that also. That it will notify you that I'm uploading video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hello, bug. Your mom's got crab legs.
Yeah, come here.